In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy clips to a new project in Ableton Live. Now to do this, first you want to select all the clips you want to copy to a new project. So if you want all of them, you could just click in here and press Ctrl and A, and it's going to select all of them, or you could go and select them manually. So if you want to select one, click on it like this, it's going to get selected. But if you want multiple, you could either highlight like this, or you could just go and click on the first one and then hold down your Control key on your keyboard and click on all the other ones as well. Okay, so I'm going to mark these three, and what you then want to do is press Control and C on your keyboard. So Control and C is going to copy. You could also right click and click on copy over here. It's going to do the same thing. When you've done this, you want to go to the new project. So I'm just going to go to File and actually open a new live set over here, and I'm going to save these changes down here to my savings. There we go. And in here I'm going to open a new project. As you can see, if I now click in here and if I press Control and V, as you can see, it's going to pop it up like this. Or if I press right click and then paste, it's going to paste it in as well. Okay, so that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.